Starting the topic functions. Many times an equation is written with f of x is equals to 2x plus 3. The same thing I can write with y is equals to 2x plus 3. So both are the same thing. We can say that f of x is representing y. So f of x is equals to y. But if I substitute, if I am writing the equation with f of x, if I replace x with a, so this will become function of a. Now it will be 2a plus 3. If I replace it with b, so it will become the function of b, and the equation will become 2b plus 3. Okay, now taking the same equation, f of x is equals to 2x plus 3. If I take some values of x, so I will get the corresponding values of y. Let's say if I substitute x is equals to 0 in this, so I will get the value of y as 3. If I substitute the value of x as 1, so I will get 5. And if I substitute x is equals to 2, so I will get y as 7. It means that I can substitute any value of x. So I can say that the value of x are independent, but the value of y is dependent, or the value of f of x is dependent on the value of x. So x are independent and y are dependent. Okay. Now if I draw the graph of this, x 1 2 on x is equals to 0, the value of y is 3. On x is equals to 1, the value of y is coming 5. And at x is equals to 2, the value of y is coming 7. This is 3, 5 and 7. Okay, now if I join all these points, so you can see that I will get a straight line. So this is the equation of a straight line, called the linear equation, you all know. Okay, now if I write this, the value of x and y like this, by making these shapes. In the first shape I am writing the values of x, that is 0, 1 and 2, and in the second shape I am writing the values of y, 3, 5 and 7. So when I have substituted 0, I got 3, for 1 I got 5, and for 2 I got 7. So the first shape from where the values of x are arising is called domain. So the value of x are called domain, and the values of y, or the values of f of x, are called range or image or codomain. Okay, so the values of x are called domain, and the values of y are called range or image or codomain. ठीक है. अच्छा, this is called mapping. So this type of function in which for each value of x there is a unique value of y. This is called one-to-one function. This is called one-to-one function. Understand? We have the equation of we have a linear equation f of x is equals to 2x plus 3. We took some values of x, we got the corresponding values of y, through which I have made a graph to see that it is a linear equation. Now I have made two shapes, the two oval shapes, in which I have written 0, 1, 2 and I have written 3, 5, 7. The value of x, when the value of x is 0, we were getting the value y as 3. For 1 we got 5 and for 2 we got 7. We have joined 0 with 3, we have joined 1 with 5 and 2 with 7. I told you that from where the arrows are arising, that is the domain, that are the values of x, and on which the arrows are falling, that is called a range or image or codomain. These are the values of y, and this type is called mapping. Okay, since for each value of x there is a unique value of y, so this is called a one-to-one function. Okay, for the first video I am dropping it here.